morning, entrepreneurs. Today's topic is about the gift tax. What is a gift tax? It's similar to the inheritance tax, but a little bit different. If you receive any gift or asset from your parents when the parents passed away, you pay the inheritance tax. But what happens if your parents give you asset or money before the inheritance? You have to pay the gift tax. But the gift tax is a little bit tricky. The gift tax is you need to pay when the individual give the gift to the other individual. The recipient need to pay the gift tax. So what happens if individual give it to the corporation? The corporation need to pay the corporate income tax. But what happens if the corporation give the gift or money to the individual? You're paying the individual income tax. So depending on the case, you have to pay the different types of the tax. For the gift tax, there is the base exemption amount. So the base exemption amount is 1.1 million Japanese yen per year per person. So let's think about two cases. If in December 2016, if John gave 2 million yen to make, well, it's exceeding 1.1 million per year, Mike have to pay the gift tax. But if John gave 1 million in December 2016 and the other 1 million in January 2017, total amount of the gift is less than the 1.1 million per year, so the Mike do not have to pay the gift tax. So sometimes it's better to wait. Gift tax is very expensive tax. So it's starting from 10% and maximum is 55%. So when the total amount of the gift, value of the gift exceeding only 30 million Japanese yen, you have to pay the 55% for the tax. It's very expensive. Compared to the gift tax, inheritance tax is only when you receive 600 million Japanese yen, you have the maximum tax rate will 55% will be applied. But there is several exemption rule for the gift tax. For example, like when the parents supporting their child, when they go to the school or supporting their lives, of course there's no gift tax. And in Japan, at the funeral or wedding, you receive some monies from the attendant, so those one is not taxable. And the money to purchase home is not taxable under some condition. But law is very complicated, so it's better to talk with a tax accountant. But from parent to the children, and the age of the children must be 20 years old or older, and the children must start leaving house by March 15th of the next year. And the condition for the space of the house, which is between the 50 square meters to 240 square meters. And well, if the buildings is 25 years old or more, you can't apply for this exemption. And your income, children's income, must be less than the 20 million Japanese yen annually. And to apply for this exemption, that you have to file the tax return. So it's important to file the tax return. Then if you satisfy all of these conditions, 1.1 million of the base exemption and additional 12 million or 7 million, this amount you are exempted from the gift tax. So 12 million and 7 million, it really depends on the what kind of the house you're going to buy. Thank you for listening. See you. Thank you for watching my videos. I will make more and more useful videos this year too. So please subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.